Hello there. In this course, I will teach you how to bring a paper map into Quantum GIS. Now, the technique involves using a georeference scan of a paper map as a backdrop and then on-screen digitizing a GIS map from it. We will be following this 6-step flowchart. Now, in the exercise, in step 1, we scan our paper map. In step 2, we georeference the scan, and what that means is that we convert the scan from being in scanner coordinates and we put the scan into GIS coordinates. In step 3, we create a blank GIS map to on-screen digitize into. In step 4, we create what I'd like to call a donut polygon, for want of a better term, but this is going to form an edge for our study area when we're digitizing. In step 5, we configure the snapping options for our digitizing environment. And in step 6, we finally do some digitizing. We use our georeference scan as a backdrop, and then we on-screen digitize and attribute our polygons as we create them in our map. My name is Ian and I will be your instructor. I've been a GIS researcher, a teacher and a consultant for over 2 decades now, and I really look forward to passing some of my knowledge on to you.